This is the gift of a full face. Let me tell you, every year this set, because it's packed with value, goes like this. This has, as the name suggests, so many of your beauty staples to create your full face, along with the cutest mini bare basics that I cannot wait to show you. It's only €50 or £45. It is worth £99 or €112, hence the mega value. And inside, the gift of a full face, we have our brand new Bare Basics mini palette, like I said, that I can't wait to show you. MyMascara Ultra Black. This is our #1 volumizing and lengthening mascara. HydraLip in the shade Rose, a double pack of our hydrating sheet masks, Perfecting Duo and Definer Duo, 2 staples to use your palette to its best potential. This set has 2 of our moisture sheet masks that I have used to prep my skin prior to applying my makeup. These give your skin literally a drink of hyaluronic acid, squalene and shea butter for moisture, hydration, plumping, soothing goodness. Pop them on at the end of a long day in this busy festive season, or use it to prep your skin pre-makeup. Leave it on for 20 minutes, let the excess soak in and absorb all the goodness. My mascara needs no introduction. I am wearing this on my lashes right now, so you can see just how instantly defining, volumizing and lengthening it is. It's ultra black in the truest form, so when you apply this, you get instant impact. It works on everybody. It's got a lovely light, flexible wand, so you can curve right into that lash, zigzag your way up, and let me tell you, once you apply this, you will never not be without it. And next we have the dotiest, cutest palette you have ever laid your eyes on. This is Bare Basics Mini, exclusive to the gift of full face in our combination of Nude 01. I'm going to take the 2 brushes, Perfecting Duo and Defining Duo, to apply this. So we have powder bronzer, an exclusive setting powder that you'll only find in Bare Basics, a powder blush, a cream highlight and 3 eyeshadows. I was always so specific that our shadows would have to have a matte and a shimmer, so you can really explore the full transition of day to night eyes if you want. So I'm going to start with my Perfecting Duo. I'm taking the angled tip. I'm going to use the mirror inside Bare Basics, which makes it so handy when you're on the go. And taking the angled tip of that brush, I'm going to circle some of that bronze in around my cheekbone, down lightly at the sides of my nose, a little bit into the hairline. You can go as heavy or as light as this. You can keep layering this to be as sculpted as you choose, but really simple, light wave motions make all the difference. Look at that, such a simple step. I'm going to take that same bronzer and I'm going to add a little bit onto my eyelid. I absolutely love using the same colour on my cheeks and on my eyes. I find bronze in particular is so flattering on all eye colours. This is a great way to make use of compact, handbag friendly products in this season. Taking a little bit of that shimmer onto my ring finger and applying onto the lid, the easiest way to wake the eyes up. If you're conscious of late night, tired eyes, stressful situations, whatever might be going on in life, you need this in your world. And it's just so easy. Going into my Defining Duo now. Brushes should make your life easier, not harder. This is a multitasking duo that creates smoky eye in seconds. I'm going to dip my pencil brush into the deepest matte colour, give it a little tap, and I'm going to place this right into that lower lash line. So what I want to do here is create that kind of subtle, smoky definition. Nothing too crazy, nothing too dark. Getting it right into that lower lash line, focusing it in around the upper lash line also, and just look at that. You have subtle definition that pops the eye that only took a few seconds. And where would we be without cream highlight? Dipping my ring finger into the cream, I'm going to tap this onto the tips of the cheekbones. So you've got your bronzer coming into the hollow, you're tapping your cream highlight into the tip of that, and I'm going to finish with blush into the apples of my cheeks. This is a soft pink powder blush. Works so lovely on all skin tones. Again, you can build this to be as strong or light as you want, whatever your preference is. And let's not forget the importance of this setting powder. Consider this your touch-up savior. Pop the mini palette in your clutch for your night out, your festive occasion, whatever it is you're attending. This has you covered. And then last but not least, I'm going to finish the look with HydraLip in Rose. HydraLip is probably one of my favorite products we have done ever as a brand. It is a tinted balm that is so comfortable whatever the season. SPF 25. Rose is one of those idyllic shades that honestly just suits everyone and works for whatever the occasion. And if you're running low on your touch-up products, a little bit of HydraLip on the cheek never hurt anybody for a little glossy finish. And there we go. That is the gift of a full face. So many beauty staples for so much value inside one box.